1. Phuket Old Town is famous for its colorful Sino-Portuguese architecture, a blend of European and Chinese influences seen in historic shophouses, mansions, and government buildings dating back to the 19th century.
The Old Town area developed during Phuket's tin mining boom, when wealthy Chinese and European merchants settled here, leaving behind a legacy of culture, cuisine, and ornate architecture.
Thalang Road is the most iconic street in Phuket Old Town, known for its vibrant street art, boutique shops, local eateries, and a lively Sunday walking street market.
Phuket Old Town is home to the Shrine of the Serene Light, a hidden Chinese Taoist temple established in the 1890s, tucked away behind a small alley off Phang Nga Road.
One of the top-rated restaurants in Phuket Old Town is Blue Elephant, housed in a grand colonial mansion and specializing in royal Thai cuisine with a modern twist.
For authentic local southern Thai food, Raya Restaurant is a favorite, located in a restored heritage house and famous for dishes like crab curry and pork belly stew.
Phuket Old Town is part of UNESCO's Creative Cities Network, recognized for its cultural richness and promotion of local gastronomy and crafts.
The museum, called Tai Hua Museum on Krobi Road, offers a deep dive into Phuket's Chinese heritage and the history of early settlers in the tin mining era.
Tu Cab Cow is another must-visit restaurant in the area, offering an elegant ambience and a refined take on traditional Phuket cuisine in a beautifully restored building.
Thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed the journey. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more travel content and adventures from around the world. See you in the next one.